I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. For today, we're putting our pinkies in the air, and we're making bougie chicken chardonnay. There you go. Alright, for chicken chardonnay, we're going to need a few things. Number one, we're going to need mushrooms and onions. We're going to need garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, pepper, chili powder, and salt. And also we're going to need our fish fry, flour, and of course our chicken, and our main event, the Chardonnay. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it, yeah? Alright, so now what we need to do is start to make our breading. And what we're going to do, we got flour, and we're going to add our fish fry, preferably lemon, into our bag. Then we're going to add our other chicken breading, which is spicy. We're going to add that, about a quarter bag for that one, and a full bag of lemon pepper. Then we're going to add onion powder, about a quarter of a cup, garlic powder, another quarter cup, cayenne pepper, about a quarter of a cup. And you want to do this because you're not trying to overwhelm your meat. You're just trying to get the flavors in there to help bring them out while you're pan frying this, or let's say sauteing. Of course, you want to get about a good quarter cup, about half a cup of pepper. And then, of course, our main event, our old friend, pink Himalayan salt. You want to give him a couple cracks, but you don't really need a whole quarter cup for this. You need about half a teaspoon, just like that. When we got everything mixed up, like you see, we got everything in there. Now we want to go ahead and clove it off and mix it up. And just like that, we're done. All right, so now we're getting our chicken to go into the bag for seasoning and breading. Most important thing we need to do is have gloves on. That way, we don't cross-contaminate anything. We keep everything safe and sanitary. We're gonna go ahead. These have already been washed, which you could always do with chicken is wash your chicken and make sure that we always keep an eye on it. Make sure it's ready to go. Make sure there's not anything on it. We're gonna put our chicken in the bag, just like this. And then we're gonna go ahead, take our gloves off, take our bag, and get our chicken all cooking up and all mixed in. And then we're gonna get to the fun part. All right, now our butter's melted, and we got our heat at medium low. You want to keep it there so you don't overcook anything and char your meat, because we want it brown but not black, so there's no bitterness in the sauce when we make it later. So we're gonna start adding our chicken, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and start to brown it. And I think we could squeeze one more in there. Ta-da! Now we're gonna cook this down a little bit and brown it. We're not cooking it all the way, we're browning. We're gonna finish this in the oven. All right. How you see, our chicken is nice and golden brown now. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our bakeware so that we can finish it in our oven. But now we got that nice golden brown hue. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and let this bad boy finish in the oven. All right, now our chicken is in the oven finishing. We're gonna go ahead and make the best part of this whole entire thing, which is our Chardonnay sauce. And how we do that, we add a touch more oil. As you can see, we add a little more oil for body. Then we're gonna go smooth and easy, add our mushroom in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our onions as well. Just like that. Alright, you see, our onions and our mushrooms have rendered down a little bit. I added a touch more butter. That way we can get a nice, clean look in there. And now, we're gonna add our Chardonnay and our butter. Or not buttermilk, excuse me. So here's our Chardonnay. And for people who don't drink, don't worry. The alcohol gets cooked out. And that's our milk. Now we're going to cook all this down a little bit more so that it's a little more viscous and it looks like a sauce. We'll come back when we're done. Alright, as you can see, our chicken is now done and ready to enjoy. What we're going to do now, go ahead and cut it up. For Chardonnay, you want to get your chicken breast right there, nice and pretty like, with a touch of our Chardonnay sauce. Ever so gracefully, just like that. And that, my friend, is chicken Chardonnay. I'm Grumpy. This has been another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.